Hey, so is Jungle Scout easy to use? I'm going to share my thoughts in this video for this question. Of course, in the description, you also have the best discounts for Jungle Scout and a post with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use different parts of it. So is it easy to use? Well, if you learn how to use it and you learn the logic behind how to use it and why you need it and what it does, then it's going to be easy for you to use it. If you're just going to invest in Jungle Scout without understanding what it's all about, then probably it's not going to be easy for you. And in order to get to the position that Jungle Scout is easy for you, I would recommend you to learn how to use Jungle Scout. There are two options for that. First, it's actually three, but let's say that the first one is the Jungle Scout Academy. That's their course, basic course for how to use Jungle Scout and how to sell on Amazon. It's available with all the Jungle Scout plans, and all the best discounts are in the description for Jungle Scout and the Jungle Scout pricing page where you can see which different plans are there for Jungle Scout. So it's all in the description. The second option, more advanced option, is the Freedom Builder Bootcamp course by Jungle Scout. This course can help you with selling on Amazon, an A to Z course by Jungle Scout. You also have the review of mine for this course in the description. I went through this course myself and I shared my thoughts. Have the discounts as well. And another thing that will help you kind of use Jungle Scout in an easy way, that's my tutorials playlist with over 100 tutorials for Jungle Scout. So again, is it easy to use? In my opinion, it is easy to use. The interface is quite friendly and it's quite simple to use software, but you have to understand what you're using it for. Like, you have to understand the logic of why you're even clicking on these things on Jungle Scout. What are you looking for? What kinds of products are you looking for on Amazon? So then using Jungle Scout is going to be easy for you. Probably in the beginning, it's not going to be easy for you just because you're a beginner in something, but with the time, it's going to get easier and easier for you. Hence, I recommend you checking out the Jungle Scout Academy, Jungle Scout Freedom Builder Bootcamp course, and my tutorials for Jungle Scout and the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description as well. I believe these tools are going to kind of help you use it in the best way possible. So hopefully you'll be able to get some success with that and use it in an easy way and useful way for yourself. I'm wishing you a great day and a happy life. Thank you for watching.